Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to unhide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on home screen. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on hide apps on home screen and app screen. And from here, as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. Now to unhide these apps, just tap on the minus icon on the app which you want to unhide. Just like that. And tap on done. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, you will find the apps which we have unhidden. Just like that. And this is how you can unhide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.